Hey there, my friends. So this is my new batch of bird flutes. And we have a couple variable keys here. So this one here is a G, and this is a matching G right here, like a mated pair of little birds. And so I'm going to play them for you, and I'll demonstrate the other keys. You can even play these together too, which is pretty cool, especially if you can get all four fingers going. So this is going to bring it to A sharp major. Not cool? Okay, and so this one right here is a very dark, very figured piece of cedar with mulberry up here. This one is an A minor. And we have A sharp. Oh, we have A sharp here. And finally, we have the highest flute I make right now, which is a B. Yeah, something like that. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.